Hi, Jack.
Pool.
You're in the pool.
Yeah.
Is it hot today? Is it warm outside?
Wow.
Yeah. You got your ball. What else you got in the pool there with you?
Tom.
Who?
Tom.
Oh, Tom's in the pool too.
Deal.
Can you show him to Mom?
Hockey. Tom.
Salty and Tom. Nice. Can you do your alphabet for Mom? Well, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Can you look at Mommy and say hi?
Hi.
Can you look at Mommy?
Well.
Give me a good splash. Let me see you do a good splash, Jack. Jack! Can I see a good splash?
Yeah.
How about you kick with your feet? Okay, say goodbye, everybody.
Baba.